This is what we're going to make today. It's a construction paper snake. So first thing we need is a half sheet of construction paper. Then we'll get some more, a littler piece of construction paper to cut out the tongue, and then 2 eyes to glue on the eyes. All right, first step, we're gonna take the construction paper and trim off all the corners so it no longer has any points. There. Okay, now we're going to cut the snake's body out, and we start in the middle here and then go up and around and around and around and around till we get in the middle and make a head. Okay, so let's try that. Here we go. And you can make it as thick or as thin as you want to. I'm making mine pretty thick today. And I'm gonna stop right there because this part is going to form the head and the rest of it is the body. So now let's cut out a tongue. And that's pretty easy. You just want to put a fork in the end of that tongue. There we go. And then we're going to take our glue stick and glue the tongue onto the snake, onto its head, right there. Yep, there we go. And then we're going to glue on the eyes. Okay, hopefully I've got those eyes in the right spot. Let's pick him up and see what he looks like. Yeah, there we go. That's our finished product, a construction paper snake.